If you are seeing this, it means that you are in need, for some reason right now, of knowing what the differences are between performative spirituality, lifestyle spirituality, compartmentalized spirituality, and spirituality because you really need it as far as survival for being here on the planet. So I have been on spiritual path for a little over 25 years. I've been working psychics a little over 20 years. I also do interpersonal body-based money relationships, so somatics with psychic work and money work. So I've been engaged, boots on the ground work, working with clients for quite some time. And so that's what gives me the experience to be able to talk about these topics. So earlier this morning, I was diagramming out, mocking up the much larger video that I was going to do today that I already did today. And in the middle of that, my spirit team comes in and they're like, Dana, we need you to do this other, we need you to do the big video, but then we need you to do the shorter video because there are a few people that really, really, really need this messaging. And so they had me go over to my video cards. I got a stack of 5x7s where I keep all of my ideas. And I went through and I pendulum checked, and this is what came up. And it was this whole thing about what's the difference between performative spirituality, compartmentalized spirituality, lifestyle spirituality, and spirituality, because you really need it so you can survive on the planet at this time. So spirit team, I was guided. I'm supposed to be here to give the message for you. So here's the deal. And let me just tune in with them. Okay, what they are saying is, if you are watching this and you are doing spirituality in a way of just going through the motions, spirituality is good and it helps you out. But you're in a place in your life right now with spirituality where you're like, I do this and la la and la la, and you're just going through the motions. Spirit world is basically, they want me to get in front of you and go, wake up. All right. So if you're going through the motions with spirituality, all right, good. It's a foundation. But spirituality is meant to be lived from a place of, what am I experiencing? What am I learning? How am I growing? What wounds are being healed? Or how am I feeling better? How am I feeling worse? What's going on with shadow world? Spirit team wants me to get in front of you and go, if you are just going through the spiritual motions, and that is performative spirituality. That's what performative spirituality is. It's kind of like, I'm here doing the thing that I'm supposed to do, la la la, but I don't know if it's doing anything. And this is where spirit realm wants to come in and get in front of you and go, there's a step to add. And the step to add is, what am I feeling? What am I feeling in my body when I do these spiritual actions? Or how am I emotionally feeling when I do these spiritual actions? And am I picking up on anything? This is where you would want to go down your inventory of am I picking up on anything clairaudiently or clairvoyantly or clairsentiently or empath-wise or channel-wise or dreams coming up or animal totems talking to me. It could be any number of things, but spirit world is basically saying is if you are going through the motions, chances are the cosmos is trying to go ding dong and talk with you in some kind of way through your body or through your energy space. And so this is your wake-up call. Start paying attention to that, because if you haven't noticed, things on the planet are heating up, and you need to on-ramp yourself to get this all beginning to connect up for you better. So that's one of the messages. Then here's the next message, and that is, if you are someone who does your spirituality, you go off and you do your meditation, you get up in the morning or sometime during your day, you go off and you do your meditation, you do that off in the corner somewhere, and then you come back out, you shelve that, you come back out, and then you very physically, mentally live your day. And you've got your spirituality over here and your living lifestyle over here. So that's what we call compartmentalized spirituality. You haven't allowed what's happening in your meditation space. You haven't integrated energetically what is going on there into the walk of your everyday life. And so this is spirit world wanting me to get in front of you and say, if you're doing spirituality and you're pretty sure you're compartmentalizing it, this is your wake up call to say, bring more of your spirituality front and center into making it more of a living, breathing thing integrated through your day. Okay, that would be compartmentalized spirituality. Then I'm sure you can see where I'm going to go with the next one. So then lifestyle spirituality. So if you are someone who's like, I do this spiritual thing here, I got the crystals here, and I do this spiritual thing here, and I do like the saging here, and then I talk to the goddess here, and it's like you're doing spirituality as a lifestyle, but you're not letting it touch the deeper aspects of how you're feeling or work on shadow world, kind of the messy stuff. It's kind of like you got the bells and whistles going, but you haven't let it touch the deeper, inner, messier parts of your life. Then I am here as a wake-up call to say, great, you got crystals and sage and you're talking with goddesses and like you're doing your thingy things. That's awesome. That's foundational. You need that. Like, I'm not going to say dump the baby out with the bathwater. I'm going to say next level that bitch, right? Like bring it into the next level. And I'm just here to say, like, the bells and whistles that you've got going on with lifestyle spirituality, take it to the next level and engage it with, what's going on with wound issues? What's going on with shadow world? What's going on with how am I feeling in this core space? Because these are the inroads into that and the foundation to be able to work with those things. So I am your messenger for that. And if you happen to be one of those persons where you're like, oh, good God, Dana, I have to have my spirituality so like I can actually survive here on the planet, you're the person I would say you're in good company. There are so many of us that are feeling like alone with our higher sensitivity levels and our neurospiciness, and God, we do the spiritual thing. So like at least we have, some buoyancy in the world that is going on right now. The thing that I want to tell you is there are so many of us who are in that boat right now, and we're holding that lighted space. You're in very good company. There are more of us than you know, and we are going to make it through this time of chaos into the new space. So if you have watched this and you're like, oh my God, Dana, like that message from Spirit World, that is pretty spot on. And if you're feeling like you need specifics or you need help or you would like some inroads with this, that's what I'm here for. That's what my coaching is all about, is to plug in, find out where you're at, plug you into your next steps. You ask your life questions. We talk with Spirit World. And frankly, the best way to do this right out of the gate, remote video read. I land so much good stuff in remote video reads. Like on my website, I say like 15 to 20 minutes. More often than not, they last a little bit longer than that because I want to cover the material. But you get a remote video read that is like a handbook of like the steps of what, answering your questions and then what you need to be doing. And I do custom presence practice, custom energy cleanup stuff. Like I know so much about like live, breathe, shadow world for decades. Like I've got so much background, and then I've got the background with the somatic money plugging into the financial aspect of this thing with our body steps. So if you have watched this video and you're like, oh my God, this is spot on for the next steps I need to be taking, then you need to get a hold of me. So you can either email me, dana@somaticmoney.com, and I will give you a free consultation read, or you can just go into my Linktree and book one of those $149 remote video reads, or you can go to my website, somaticmoney.com. It's in the coaching tab, remote video read there as well. So happy to have a conversation with you text-wise, get you set up, get you headed in the right direction, and we will get you going in these next steps. So that's what I've got for you for now. Thank you for being here. Make sure you keep walking forward to meet those miracles along the way, and I will see you in my next video.